with Pink and Main. It's March 1st, so it's time to share our new subscription products for March. Now, March is a special month here at Pink and Main because it's our birthday or anniversary, whichever you want to call it. We are 9 years old this month. How exciting. And I couldn't do it without all of you. So thank you so much for your support through these 9 years. So first, I'll start with our stamp of the month. And because it's our birthday month, I always do like birthday or celebration themes with the products that we release. Our stamp of the month is called Sweet Birthday, and it has the yummiest little treats that's going to make some super cute cards. We've got banana split, a cupcake, a donut, some ice cream, a sundae, an ice cream sandwich, a slice of cake. I've colored it like a carrot cake for my dad. That's one of his favorites. But I can't wait to make some super sweet cards with these little treats. And you don't have to use them just for the birthdays. You can use them anytime you want like a little goodie on your card. We've got the coordinating dies. So if you subscribe to the stamp of the month, you're going to get this 4x6 stamp set delivered to your mailbox just after the 10th of the month. And we deliver it free within the US, so it's a super great deal. The stamp set, when it comes out for individual purchase, will be $16, but you can subscribe and get it for $12 shipped for free. And it's just a reoccurring subscription each month. But who doesn't love to get an adorable little stamp set delivered to your door each month? If you subscribe to the stamp and die of the month, you will also get the coordinating die delivered to you just after the 10th of the month. For the stamp and die of the month, it's $24, shipped for free within the US. And this month, it's the Sweet Birthday. As long as you're a subscriber to one of our subscriptions, you get 15% off automatically on our website. And I get lots of questions because it is a little confusing. Our website recognizes you as a subscriber, so it automatically shows you the discounted price. If you have any questions about it, you can always reach out by email, but it is an automatic discount. So there's no code needed, and the price that you're shown is the discounted price. Here is the postcard for the kit this month. It says, it's your birthday. We've got a nice big cupcake. That always gives a hint of what's inside. On the back, it tells you exactly what's inside, along with the color palette that we used. Speaking of color palette, I'll go ahead and show you the beautiful colors that we have this month. These are some great celebration colors, I think. We've got a hot pink, our moss green. We've got middle school blue, evening clouds, which is a lavender. We've got wildflowers, which is a beautiful deep orange. And then our lakeside, which is a gorgeous teal. These are all 100-pound, colored all the way through cardstocks, except for our white, and you get 2 sheets of white, and that is our 110-pound white ice rink cardstock. You always get a large mesh project bag with a zipper, and these are great for lots of different things. Whatever you can store in them, you can craft on the go and take things with you. Let's go over the goodies that are inside. We've got glitter enamel dots, of course, in those beautiful, cheerful colors. The theme is called Good Times. And these gorgeous confetti sequins, oh, that's like a party in a bag, I tell you. They are super iridescent and shiny and sparkly, and I can't wait to create something with these. These are great glued on to your cards as embellishment or making shaker cards. These are super pretty. As of filming, I'm still waiting on our paper pads, but you get a full 6x6 paper pack with 24 sheets of double-sided patterned paper. So you get lots of stripes and dots and grids. We've got some confetti and streamers, some stars, some plaid. We have our birthday icons on a sheet, and we also have the word celebrate going across in all the different colors. But you get 2 of each pattern, and there's 24 patterns. It's double-sided patterned paper. Just know you're going to love creating with these papers. We've got a little bonus this month, and you are now the first to see this. These are our foilables. So these are A2 size card panels. They're 4 by 5¼ inches. So they're going to give you, if you put them on top of an A2 size card, you get a little white border around the edge, which I really like. You get 8 panels in here. These are toner printed designs, perfect for adding foil. That's a little bonus that we're giving you this month. Here is the exclusive 6x6 stamp set. This is called It's Your Birthday. So we've got 3 different birthday sentiments here. It's your birthday, and then happy birthday in 2 different fonts. And then we have all kinds of great icons. None of these require any coloring. They're nice solid stamps. I've put them so that they layer together. So the party hat here, these stripes that are open, they're up here. So you just stamp them into colors and they're already colored for you. We've also given you the coordinating dies in this kit. So you've got all the coordinating dies for the stamps, even the sentiments that are in the stamp set. We've given you the dies for them. So that's super fun. And then a little extra. I always try to do extra when I can. Given you the word celebrate, and it also has a shadow layer. So you've got the word celebrate with the shadow. You can use it with or without the shadow. But the letters are all separate, so you can put them however you like when you're spelling it out. It's not all, guys. We've got our 6x6 embossing folder. This is a fun one. It's called Fireworks. But it's a great embossing folder to highlight something in the center. So you could put your image or your sentiment in the center and have the background be embossed with this little firework or exploding pattern here. And that is super fun. This is our scattered stars stencil, so you can create super fun backgrounds with stars. I can't wait to see what you all create with our Good Times Crafty Courtyard kit for March 2023. This is the monthly subscription kit for the month. You've also seen the stamp and die of the month. You can check them out and subscribe over at pinkandmane.com. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.